Sums. Check whether given sides are the sides of a right angled triangles using Pythagoras theorem. So they are given in 5 sums. Listen very carefully. 4th and 5th sum is the homework. You watch the video and write it the homework. First question 8, 15, 17. See the sums. 8, 15, 17. So right angle triangle for you draw one right angle triangle perpendicular line for use in the symbol. Okay, now given the value for which value is biggest value 17. 17 is this side is the hypotenuse. This side is the hypotenuse side. There you write in 17. 8 and 15 anywhere you write no problem. Here write 8, here write 15 correct only. So I am writing here 15, here writing in A 8. So this one, this basis you take in A, this another one side is you take in the opposite side is the B, hypotenuse you will take in C. Pythagoras theorem is the standard formula. They are given the sidewise you write, they are ABC, they are given means ABC you write. Formula is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared by Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? The squares of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. A squared value, A value equal to 8. Now A value equal to 8. B value equal to 15, C value equal to 17. These three values substitute this formula. 8 A squared for start the bracket and write 8 whole squared plus 15 whole square is equal to 17 squared. 8 whole squared 8 8s are 64, 15 15s are 225, 17 into 17 equal to 289. You add the number 289, the right side also 289, 2 also equal. So given these numbers is satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. So yes, given sides are satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Understand the sum or not? First you draw a right angle triangle. Big side you write in the big side. Remaining two sides any length also you write. Use the formula A squared plus B squared equal to C squared is the Pythagoras theorem. This value A, B, C should not forget and write. What is the values that given? You substitute there and 2 times multiple and write. Add the number 2 also same answer means it is correct. Yes, given sides are satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Second question 12, 13, 15. Draw a right angle triangle. 15 there where you write a big side. 12 and 13 anywhere also write. 12 here write, 13 there. A, B, C. What is the value of A value? 12. B value is 13, C value is 15. What is the Pythagoras theorem? A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared is the formula. 12 whole squared. A value is 12 whole squared plus 13 squared equal to 15 squared. 12 12s are 144. 13 13s are 169 is equal to 225. 15 15 sir. Add the number 144 plus 169 equal to 313. Here come the answer is 225. 2 also equal? No. So equal right and there one cross put means not equal. So 313 and not equal to 225. What is the symbol meaning? This is the equal, that cross put means this is what is the meaning? Not equal. So, no, given sides are not satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Given sides are not satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Second sum. Third question 30, 40, 50. 50 here you write. 30, 40 anywhere you write. Formula A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. A value equal to 30 whole squared plus B value equal to 40 whole squared is equal to 50 whole squared. See and write correctly. 30 squared for, how do they write? 30 into 30. Close the bracket plus 40 squared for 40 into 40 is equal to 50 into 50. 3 3s are 9. Easily the multiple. 3 3s are 9. Total number of the 0 is 20. 900 plus 4 4s are 16. 20. 5 5s are 25. 20. 2 also add 200. 2500. Here answer also 2500. Left side and right side answer is same answer. So this sum given the numbers also satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Yes, given sides are satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Fourth and fifth sum I teach now. These two sums homework. First question 9, 40, 41. So draw a right angle triangle. Given the value for 9, 40, 41. Which one is very bigger? This big side. This side is big side. You write in here 41. 40 here. Anywhere write this two side, no problem. A, don't forget and write. This is B, this is C. What is the formula? A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared is the formula. A value equal to 9, B value equal to 40. A value equal to 9, B value equal to 40 whole square, 41 square. 9 9s are 81. 40 into 40 equal to 1600. 41 and 41 multiply and get the answer equal to 1681. Now to also add 1681, 1681. Yes, given sides are satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Third question, you must do the fourth question. You must do the sum. Fourth question is 9, 40, 41. Draw a triangle, right angle triangle. 41 is the big side. Here you write in 9, there you write in 40. This value under substitute the Pythagoras theorem. A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. This is the Pythagoras theorem. 9 squared plus 40 squared equal to 41 squared. 9 9s are 81. 40 into 40 equal to 1600 equal to 1681. Two also same answer coming. This is correct. Yes, you write and given sides are satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Next question 24, 45, 51. This is the question. So draw a right angle triangle. Draw a right angle triangle. So symbol also first write. This is the first work. Which one is very big number? 51. 51 here you write. 21 and 45 anywhere also you write there. 24 here write and here you 45 you write. This value is, what is the value? A. Here you write in B. There you write in C. So what is the formula? A squared plus B squared equal to C squared by Pythagoras theorem. A value equal to, what is the value of 24? So 24 squared plus 45 squared equal to 51 squared. 24 into 24. Close the bracket. Plus 45 into 45 equal to 51 into 51. 24 into 24 equal to 24 squared. 24 into 24 equal to 576 plus 45 into 45 equal to 2025. 51 into 51. 51 into 51 equal to 2601. 2601. Now add the number 1 remaining 1, 10 remaining 1, 5 plus 1 equal to 6, 2. 2601, 2601. 2 also same. Yes. You write, must you write, given sides are satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Given sides are satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. These two sums homework. Okay, again one time I am explained that. The next last question 24, 45, 51 is there given. You draw a triangle. 51 there you write. 24, 45, A, B, C. A squared plus B squared equal to C squared by Pythagoras theorem you write, and this value and all you substitute that. 24 squared plus 45 squared equal to 51 squared. 24 into 24 plus 45 into 45 plus 51 into 51. Multiply and get the answer equal to 576. Here multiply and get the answer equal to 2025, 2601 1. Add and write this one correct answer. Yes, satisfied. Given sides are satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. Same also the write in the before sum also. If you got doubt, you ask me. 4 multiple by 2, 4 2s are 8. So now multiply and get the answer equal to 81. Now 1681 square root equal to 41. You confuse means 41 into 41, write enough. Second question, right angle is there given. So this is a Pythagoras theorem only must use there. So which one is hypotenuse? A value, this is A value. This is what is the value? A. This is B value. This is C value. First you write. Right angle opposite side is, this side is, what is the side there? C value. PQRS. So A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. RQ squared plus PQ squared equal to PR squared. In triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem, you write it the formula. A value equal to, what is the value? 30. So A value equal to 30 whole squared plus B value equal to Y equal to 34 whole squared. 30 2 times multiple and get the answer equal to 900 plus Y squared equal to these two 34 into 34 equal to answer 1156. Y squared right under that 900 they are equal to, after right side go there you change the symbol minus 900 minus and right means answer is 256. Which two number multiple and get the answer is 256? Same number 16 sir. So y squared you write in y into y equal to 16 into 16. 1y, next y. Y value equal to 16, one time write enough there. Next question, they are given in the right triangle. Triangle opposite side is, what is the side? C. A value equal to here. A. This is the B. Okay. Now triangle XYZ by Pythagoras theorem, XY squared plus XZ squared equal to YZ squared. You will taking here A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. A value equal to Z whole square. A value equal to Z. B value equal to 36 whole squared is equal to 39 whole squared. Z squared for Z into Z equal to Z squared plus 36 equal to 36 into 36 equal to 1296 equal to 1521. Z squared equal to 1521 plus symbol right side change into the minus 1296. Minus and right means 225. Z into Z 225 15 into 15. 1 Z value only, Z value equal to 15 is the answer. Z value equal to 15. Next, fifth question. An isosceles triangle has equal sides. Isosceles triangle has equal sides, each 13 centimeter and base equal to 24 centimeter in length. Find its the height. See there, I draw one triangle. BC equal to ABC, you write there. I will take in ABC. Okay. Now base equal to 24 square. Isosceles triangle for two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle for two sides are equal. That's each side is 13 centimeter. So here also 13 centimeter. Here also 13 centimeter. Okay. Now triangle ABC for I draw the one altitude height median is drawing. So this is what is the triangle? Right angle triangle. One side only that take. This median is you taking the point is DU, right? ADC. This one side I am right there. Triangle ADC. This is called the altitude. This line is called the altitude or height. Altitude or height. Okay, now H value. This is height for H you write. This is base now. 24 for, how to the write? 24. BC full value equal to 24. The median right after this one equally want to divide. 24 half equal to how much there? This is 12 centimeter. Here also 12 centimeter. Now this value height for dono you write in height. AD value equal to HM, DC value equal to 12 centimeter, AC value equal to 13 centimeter. This one side cut and do the sums. So 13 here 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. In a right angle triangle, this is A, this is B, this is C. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. You write it there. A value equal to 12 centimeter. So 12 whole square plus B value equal to H for H squared equal to 13 squared. Okay, now 12 into 12 equal to 144 plus H squared equal to 13 13s are 169. H squared equal to 169 plus symbol change into the minus 144. Minus and right answer is 25. H into H value equal to 5 centimeter. Now here clear or not? Given in one triangle ABC, BC base value equal to 24. Two sides also isosceles triangle for 13 13 you write it there. There I am drawing one median perpendicular. This value, this line is called the altitude or height for H you write. This median point is D you write. 24 divided in same only. So 24 half equal to 12. Here 12 centimeter, here 12 centimeter. This one side only take and do the sums. This is A, B, C. Formula for you write in A squared plus B squared equal to C squared, write and do the sum. So get it the answer. 12 squared 144 plus H squared equal to 169. Minus and right means 25. H value equal to 5 centimeter. Height H equal to 5 centimeter. Next question. Find the distance between the helicopter and the ship. This is the helicopter. This is the ship. What is the distance? Helicopter is flying in there. Ship is down. So this distance only. What distance you find there? Okay. Now they are given in book from 150 here. Here 80 meter. Here distance for D. Here you write in A, B, C. This is don't forget and write. So A squared plus B squared is equal to A, B squared equal to C squared. Next question, they are given in the right triangle. Triangle opposite side is, what is the side? C. A value equal to here A. This is the B. Okay. Now triangle XYZ by Pythagoras theorem, XY squared plus XZ squared equal to YZ squared. You will taking here A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. A value equal to Z whole square. A value equal to Z. B value equal to 36 whole squared is equal to 39 whole squared. Z squared for Z into Z equal to Z squared plus 36 equal to 36 into 36 equal to 1296 equal to 1521. Z squared equal to 1521 plus symbol right side change into the minus 1296. Minus and right means 225. Z into Z 225 15 into 15. One Z value only. Z value equal to 15 is the answer. Z value equal to 15. Next, fifth question. An isosceles triangle has equal sides. Isosceles triangle has equal sides, each 13 centimeter and base equal to 24 centimeter in length. Find its the height. See there, I draw one triangle. BC equal to ABC, you write there. I will take in ABC. Okay. Now base equal to 24 square. Isosceles triangle for two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle for two sides are equal. That's each side is 13 centimeter. So here also 13 centimeter. Here also 13 centimeter. Okay, now triangle ABC for I draw the one altitude height median is drawing. So this is what is the triangle? Right angle triangle. One side only that take. This median is you taking the point is DU, right? ADC. This one side I am right there. Triangle ADC. This is called the altitude. This line is called the altitude or height. Altitude or height. Okay, now H value. This is height for H you write. This is base now. 24 for, how to the write? 24. BC full value equal to 24. The median right after this one equally want to divide. 24 half equal to how much there? This is 12 centimeter. Here also 12 centimeter. Now this value height for dono you write in height. AD value equal to HM, DC value equal to 12 centimeter, AC value equal to 13 centimeter. This one side cut and do the sums. So 13 here 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. In a right angle triangle, this is A, this is B, this is C. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. You write it there. A value equal to 12 centimeter. So 12 whole square plus B value equal to H for H squared equal to 13 squared. Okay, now 12 into 12 equal to 144 plus H squared equal to 13. 13s are 169. H squared equal to 169 plus symbol change into the minus 144. Minus and right answer is 25. H into H value equal to 5 centimeter. Now here clear or not? Given in one triangle ABC, BC base value equal to 24. Two sides also isosceles triangle for 13, 13 you write it there. There I am drawing one median perpendicular. This value, this line is called the altitude or height for H you write. This median point is D you write. 24 divided in same only. So 24 half equal to 12. Here 12 centimeter. Here 12 centimeter. This one side only take and do the sums. This is A, B, C. Formula for you write in A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. Write and do the sum. So get it the answer. 12 squared 144 plus H squared equal to 169. Minus and right means 25. H value equal to 5 centimeter. Height H equal to 5 centimeter. Next question, find the distance between the helicopter and the ship. This is the helicopter. This is the ship. What is the distance? Helicopter is flying in there. Ship is down. So this distance only, what distance you find there. Okay, now they are given in book from 150 here 80 meter, here distance for D. By Pythagoras theorem, AP squared plus PS squared equal to AS squared. So you write in here A, B, C. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. This is easy the formula. A value equal to 150 whole squared plus B value equal to 80 meter, 80 whole squared, and C equal to, don't know for the right in D squared you write. 150, 15, 2 times multiply and get the answer is 22,500 plus 6,400 equal to D squared. Add and write means 28,900 equal to D squared. 170 into 170 equal to D squared. D equal to 170. D squared equal to 170 into 170. 1D only find for D equal to 170 meter. So what is the answer? Final answer? The distance between the helicopter and the ship is 170 meter. The distance between the distance between the helicopter and the ship is 170 meter. Seventh question, in triangle ABC, line L1 is a perpendicular bisector of BC. If BC equal to 12 cm, SM equal to 8 cm, find the CS value. Listen there. In a triangle ABC, draw it. The L1 is the line. that C, that point to you draw in. So this L1 is one line, perpendicular line. Bisector at the BC. Bisector at the BC. L1 is the perpendicular line. Bisect meaning is divided by 2 to the line BC. BC value, full value equal to, what is the value? BC full value equal to 12 centimeter. What is the value of BM and CM? Half only. Half how much there? This is 6 centimeter. Here also 6 centimeter. SM equal to 8 centimeter. Here SM value equal to 8 centimeter. Find the CS value. So this triangle draw again there. So not confuse there. See there, draw a triangle. MC equal to 6 centimeter. SM equal to 8 centimeter. You want to find this value. By Pythagoras theorem, this is A value, B value, C value. B and C value. So A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. What is the value of A value? A value equal to, change and write means also no problem there. So here you write in B, there you write in A. 2 also correct only. A, B change means also no problem. That C value correctly one write. A equal to 8 whole squared plus 6 whole squared equal to D C whole squared. CS value for that you write in C whole squared. 8 8s are 64 plus 36. These two also add and write means answer equal to 100. This one you write in C squared enough. C squared, C squared. So 100 how to the divider? 10 into 10. C how to the divider? C into C. Now C value equal to 10 centimeter. C value equal to, what is the value? CS value only 10 centimeter. Therefore CS equal to 10 centimeter is the answer. One time we see there, given the triangle BC equal to 12 centimeter, that draw the perpendicular line after a BM and MC value to what value? This 12 you divided by 2. 6 centimeter, here 6 centimeter, here given in 8 centimeter. What is the value of CS value? This triangle only that separately write. A, this value is A value, this is value, B value, C value. This value substitute here there. A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. 8 squared plus 6 squared equal to C squared. 8 8s are 64, 6 6 are 36, C squared. 2 also add and write. 100 equal to C squared. 10 into 10 equal to C into C. 1 value C value equal to 10 centimeter. C is denoted, the side is CS. Therefore, the distance CS equal to 10 centimeter. This is very very easy. Identify the centroid of the PQR. Centroid meaning is triangle PQR. PQR SR equal to QS equal to SR. QS equal to SR. Implies PS is the median from the vertex. QS equal to SR meaning is PS is the median of the side, QR side. Next, PT equal to TR. PT equal to TR. This is the, what is the median there? QT is the median of from the vertex Q. This is Q2 drawing. That one is P2 drawing. So this line is called the median. This line is called the median. QT and PS meet at W. These two line also meeting point is, what is the point? This one and W. Now W is the centroid of the triangle PQR. What is the question? Centroid only asking. These two median, for which one is centroid? That W is the centroid. W is the centroid of the PQR. Name the orthocenter of PQR triangle. PQR is the triangle. This is the right angle triangle. Why? That PM is the median of the QR line. This is the right angle triangle. Orthocenter is, what is the center there? P is the orthocenter. In right angle orthocenter is the vertex containing 90 degree. That is called the orthocenter. So for P is the orthocenter. That's all over the sum, 9th sum. 8th and 9th is very very easy. See the picture and write it the sums. Next, 10th question. In the given figure, A is the midpoint of YZ. A is the midpoint of YZ. YZ line to A is the midpoint. YZ for A is the midpoint is that given. Midpoint meaning is middle of the point. and G is the centroid. G, the center for G is the centroid of the triangle XYZ. If the length of GA is 3 cm, find XA. They are given in GA value equal to 3 cm. Asking XA value equal to how much centimeter only asking that. Given A is the midpoint of YZ. Given the question from right, A is the midpoint of YZ. ZA equal to AY. Midpoint after this one, ZA equal to AY is the first point. Second point, G is the centroid of XYZ, the triangle. Centroid divide each medians in the ratio. This is the standard formula 2:1. What is the formula? 2:1. XG value equal to 2. GA value equal to 1. So 2:1. XG is to GA. This median for only finding there. So XG is to GA. XG value equal to 2. GA value equal to 1. This one is the ratio form. Write in the fraction form. XG divided by GA equal to this ratio. Write in the fraction form. 2/1. So GA value equal to that given in what is the centimeter? 3 centimeter. This value substitute here. XG divided by 3 equal to 2/1. Do in the cross multiplication. 1 XG equal to XG. 2 3s are 6 centimeter. Now XG value equal to what is the value? 6 centimeter. XG is what is the value? This value only 6 centimeter is find out now. Now what is that asking there? XA value add. So XA value for full value. 6 here 3. 6 plus 3 equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore XA equal to XG plus GA. XG value equal to 6 plus 3 equal to 9 centimeter. XA value equal to 9 centimeter. 11th question. If I is the in center of XYZ. In center meaning is inside that point is called the in center. IYZ equal to 30 degree. And IZY equal to 40 degree. Find XYZ value. Very easy the sum. Overlay I say and give the sum first. Here 30 degree means here also 30 degree. Here 40 degree, here 40 degree. So now this full value equal to, see there, in center, in angle. Here 30 degree means here also 30 degree. Now totally what degree there? 60 degree. Now here given in 40 degree. So this side small side is 40 degree. 40 plus 40 equal to 80 degree is full answer. Okay, and now Y full value equal to 60 degree. Z full value equal to 80 degree. Now what is that asking? X value asking. Here 60, here 80. 60 plus 80 equal to 140 degree. Remaining is what is the angle there? 40 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. For add that 60 plus 40, 100. 100 plus 80 equal to 180 degree. Now only this only answer I explain one by one there. There see there I is the in center of X triangle XYZ. Where is I? IYX. IYX equal to IYZ equal to 30 degree. IYX, IYZ. Left side only now seeing that 30 degree. Therefore X plus Y equal to, these two also add IYX plus IYZ. These two also what degrees are given? This one also 30 degree, here also 30 degree. 30 plus 30 equal to 60 degree. Here come the answer or not? Now XYZ equal to 60 degree. Inside that letter is what is the letter? Y. Angle Y equal to 60 degree is the answer. Next second step. Now left side done finished. Then right side. XIZ. XZI. IZX. See there. XZI is equal to IZY equal to 40 degree. Therefore XZY equal to 2 also add. XZI plus IZY 40 degree. This this value also 40 degree. This one value also 40 degree. 40 plus 40 equal to 80 degree. Now center for what letter is there? Have Z. Z equal to 80 degree. So here 40 plus 40 equal to 80 degree. In full triangle now want to find that. In a triangle XYZ, X plus Y plus Z equal to 180 degree. X value don't know. So X value is want to find that. Plus 60 degree plus 80 degree, 140 degree. 2 also add and get the answer is 140 degree equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 minus 140 degree. Minus and right means 40 degree. Now X value equal to 40 degree. Question from asking Y is at X. Y X Z value equal to 40 degree. So this angle is X Y X Z equal to 40 degree is the answer. Objective type questions. Objective type questions. If triangle GUT is isosceles and right angle, then angle TUG is dash. Given that angle is right angle triangle, two sides are so equal for that given in the isosceles triangle. See the figure that 90 degree, the two sides are equal isosceles triangle. So must want to come in these two sides also equal. 90 degree is already over, remaining 90 degree only balance. This 90 degree divided by 2 equal to 45 degree. So each angle is 45 degree. This question for answer is 45 degree. Next one, the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle of the side 12 cm and 16 cm is dash. They are given in the side is they are given. What is there given? See there, right angle triangle for here 12. You take that any side also right, no problem. They want to find in the hypotenuse 16. Here what is that? Here A you write, B, C. As usual use in the, which formula want to use there? Pythagoras theorem formula. A square plus B square equal to C square. A value equal to 12. So 12 whole squared plus B value equal to 16. B value equal to 16 whole squared equal to C square. 12 12s are 144 plus 16 16s are 256 equal to C square. These two also add answer equal to 400 equal to C square. 20 into 20 equal to C into C. One value C, here one value. Therefore, C equal to 20. So, here 20 centimeter. C is hypotenuse. Now, C value equal to what is the value there? 20. So, second question answer is 20 centimeter is correct the answer. This hypotenuse value is 20 centimeter is the answer. Next question, the area of the rectangle of length equal to 21 centimeter and diagonal equal to 29 centimeter. They are given in the area of the rectangle. See there you draw in one rectangle, length equal to they are given in 21 centimeter. B value asking diagonal is they are given in 29 centimeter. 29 centimeter. Rectangle all the corner equal to what degree there? 90 degree for. This is the right angle triangle. Use in the Pythagoras theorem and do it the sum. So, which one side only you cut and write? 21 L D. See there 21, 29, there question mark there. Here you write in centimeter. 21 whole square for 21 whole square plus B value equal to this value is don't know. This is A value, B value, C value. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. A value equal to 21 squared for 441. B value equal to don't know, you write in B. Plus C value equal to 29 square for 29 2 times multiple and write the answer equal to 841. Now B square equal to 841, that 441 equal to right side minus change and right minus 441. Minus and right means 400. B into B equal to 20 into 20. Therefore B value equal to 20 centimeter. They are asking in area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle formula L into B. L value equal to already they are given in 21. B value equal to 20. So 21 into 20 square units. 20, multiple and write 420 square centimeter. Now area of the rectangle equal to 420 square centimeter. So this sum for answer is 420 centimeter squared. Next, the sides of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 5:12:13 and its perimeter is 120 units. Then the sides are dash. 5:12:13 is that given. Find the sides there. All the one is that given in ratio. So you write in there 5A, 12A, 13A you write first. Right angle triangle. All the one add there. 5A plus 12A plus 13A equal to 120. Why here add? Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle 120 units. Perimeter they are given for perimeter for all the sides. Add outer boundary you add the numbers. 5a plus 12a plus 13a equal to 120. 30a equal to, all the one add 30a equal to 120, a equal to 120 divided by 30. Cancel the answer, a equal to 4. Now 5a equal to 5 into 4, 20 units. 12a equal to 12 into 4 equal to 48 units. The 13a equal to 13 into 4 equal to 52 units. Now answer equal to 20, 48, 52 is the answer. So this question for what is the answer? 20, 48, 52. 20, 48, 52, D is the option. So 5.2 all the sums are completed.